Hi guys, today I am going to make a paper origami bird using A4 size color papers. So let's begin. So first you need to fold this paper into diagonal to form a square piece. So flip it off, turn this extra paper towards back. Now use the scissors, remove this extra paper. Now open this paper, a square pattern, and just making it into a triangle. Just again fold it and form it as a triangle. Now fold this again, a small triangle, into half. So you have to do is, inside you must fold, open this and form it as a square piece. You can see it. I'll show you again. Just open this from inside and fold it into the square. Just turn this paper towards the back and now fold this paper towards left. Now you have to do is, you have to open this up, form this as a square again. So now you get a square piece after folding this. So just fold this where papers are freely lying. There you must fold this into half diagonally. So do the same thing over other side. Just fold it diagonally. Just open it, and then you can see these 2 points over here. So what you're gonna do is just fold this paper towards down, top one towards down, so you can get a line here. So by your thumb hold this line, and by turning this paper towards up, rhombus like pattern, rhombus shape. So make sure you're gonna fold this properly. So do the same thing over here. Same thing over other side. Just fold it to the other side and move back. So now when you see this triangular piece over here, just fold this sharp part towards up, then arrange it like this. Do the same thing over other side. See this? You can see this rectangular part. Move this sharp edge towards up. Now adjust it. Let's make its beak or face part of the bird. Just you have to do is open this up, open one side of this sharp edge, and fold it a little bit down like this. Then hold the beak, lift it up, so you can get its face part, left over its tail part, and blow the air from the below, which you can make hole. Similarly, I have prepared one of the bird ready over here. You can see this using glitters. And thanks for watching this video.